in tech layoffs, and Amazon India is currently letting go of around 500 employees across verticals. Sakshi Bajaj reports.
Amazon India is laying off around 500 employees. NDTV has learned that the process of layoffs is ongoing and employees from Amazon Web Services, human resources and support functions are being laid off. The layoffs are part of the 9,000 jobs cut announcement that was made in March 2023. Remember, in March, Amazon had revealed its plans to cut around 9,000 jobs from its cloud services and advertising divisions on back of recession fears. Amazon has also said that the decision for these layoffs has been taken to streamline costs and headcount on back of global economic uncertainty. Sources have told NDTV that some of these employees are part of global teams working out of India. However, it is important to remember that the reasons for these layoffs remain the same as for many other tech giants, that of overhiring and higher expectations for IT solutions during the pandemic, and now the reality on the ground for this sector looking very different, with some of these roles being completely redundant altogether.